Hello, I'm here with LOOSSEMBLE's new album, Talk to You Later, and I got these from K-Town for You. They had signed albums, so I got 3 random ones. So I got Heju, Yojin, and Vivi. So yeah, Heju's my bias, so I was excited about that, and I'm pretty sure that's Vivi's signature. But yeah, so we have all 3 normal versions. This is the fantasy version, Riz version, and love version. So let's open them. Oh, and also I did get K-Town for You pre-order cards. So I got Heju, Go On, and Vivi. So I almost got the matching POBs, but I didn't get Yojin's. I got Go On instead. It's so cute. I like that pose. I kind of want to leave the plastic on these, so I'm going to try to cut it so I could put it back on. Okay. So this is Heju's signature. I like how it's a big signature. So, ooh. Okay, so let's put the photo cards to the side. There's the CD, it kind of like moved around a little bit. Very cute CD. Here's the photo book. It's pretty thin. So some members are like smaller. This baby's so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. All the stuffed animals. Oh yeah, I saw some pictures on Twitter. Like the way they cut this looks kind of weird. Oh my god, it's like all the pages. This song is really good though. I think I don't know if it's my favorite one. I did like their debut. I actually do think this one is one of my faves. This title track. It's pretty catchy. Go On in the car. I don't know why I keep thinking Go On is Heju. They're looking a little similar this comeback. And these are all the tracks. I think they have a video for this track. So cute. Oh, they have their animals here. I feel like this song is very Luna vibes. Okay, so let's see what this is. To-do list, daily planner. Then we have folded poster. Parking lot. Oh, this is random. I got Hyunjin. And then there's stickers. And then an envelope. Oh. Just a paper. I could actually use this because I ran out of envelopes for trading. And then photo cards. I think I saw Yojin in the beginning. Yeah. That is so cute. Parking lot. And then Hyunjin. And then Go On. Oh my god, that one is so pretty. These are all pretty. Nice. So they do correspond with the version. You get 3 types. Okay. Okay, next the Riz version. This is Yojin's signature. It is funny. A version name. Oh. CD. Okay, this time Heju and Go On are bigger. See, like, Go On had the same hairstyle. Maybe that's why I was getting them confused. Ooh, this version is pretty. The red. I wonder why they messed up there. I like her nails. I forgot to mention, I think this is the first time their album packaging is a little different. Like all the Luna groups kind of did similar packaging to their Luna albums. I think Chu is the only one that didn't. And so like the soloist Chu and Eve did not do the same style. But LOOSSEMBLE did. I guess they just decided to change it finally. There's the planner thing. Poster. And the random thing is Hyunjin again. Okay. I didn't get her for any of the pre-order stuff. Stickers, and then I guess it's just another blank piece of paper. And then the photo cards. So first one, Yojin again. Ooh, I like her makeup. And then, oh yeah, you got Heju. And then Go On. Oh my god, that's so cute. Is that a real tattoo or fake? So cute. I feel like the quality of these photo cards are really good. Okay, last one is Vivi's signature. It's green. Yeah, some of them got like dented on the bottom. So we have the CD again. And then the photo book. Ooh, I like this one. Now Go On and Hyunjin are bigger here. Okay. think this green is the one used like on Spotify as the album art. Now they're starting off with the members that joined last in Luna. I like that they still use some Luna references, like their animal, and like sometimes they go in the order that they used to do in Luna, like the order that they joined. Okay, a really small photo book. So the daily planner thingy, poster, the random one is Had You This Time. I don't really collect these, but pretty. This, the stickers, and then the envelope, the blank piece of paper. Okay, so let's see. Had you, oh my god. Then Go On Again. And then Hyunjin. I don't think I got one VV photo card, but these are so cute. I also did get the Ever Music album and I pulled Go On. So I feel like Go On is liking me this comeback. That was my unboxing of Loosessemble's Talk to You Later album. Thank you for watching.